also Mother's Day. So the alternate questions have to do with mother. You don't like what you got? Choose one of these. What she told you to do, what she told you not to do, the biggest lie you told her, the biggest lie she told you. Or whatever. Or whatever. Bryan. No, Bryan. Tell us about your most interesting railroad trip, or what about another?
As far as the biggest lie I told to my mother went on a vacation, and before she left on her vacation, she specifically had told us, there are firecrackers in the closet, but do not get into them because we've counted them and we know exactly how many firecrackers there are. And of course, you tell this to a kid before they leave on vacation. What's the first thing a kid is going to do? A kid is going to go into the little closet, and I took out the smallest little firecracker thing I could find. It was about just yay big. And I decided I was going to light this firecracker, just one, while she was gone. So I took a little firecracker, I went over to the stove. We had a gas stove, so I couldn't find any matches. So I turned on the gas stove, and I put the firecracker over to the fire to light it. And then after it was lit, I ran it over to the door, but as I got to the door and opened the door, it was one of those traveling firecrackers. So the firecracker flew out of my hand, it flew all around the kitchen, burned a little hole in every single seat on the kitchen chairs, and then it landed on the floor and it burned a big hole in the floor. So what I did is I moved the rug over the hole in the floor, and I flipped all the cushions over. Well, it was months and months and months went by until my mother decided she was going to start cleaning the house. And when she's cleaning the house, she starts flipping over these chair covers. And she sees these little burn marks. So I lied, and I told her that it must have been my stepfather who kept falling asleep at the table with his cigarette. Until she decided to move the rug and saw the big one on it. And I said, well, I think that was a cigar.